Hello everyone, our team is the CUMC Web Services, and this is our team members. Our project is the CUMC Badminton System. This is a web application for badminton court employment, finding partners, chattings, and also for badminton forum postings. We use technology such as AWS, and also we use Angular as a front-end framework, Flask as backend, and also Mysql as the database. This is our project architecture. We develop everything in the front end using API gateway, and our backend using Amazon EC2 and Elastic Beanstalk. We have 3 microservices and 1 composite services. Here, let me show you the API gateway. So this is here is all the API for our project. It's all in here. Now let me show you the first microservice, which is the Google Auth and the session booking service. So if we are in the main page, we click here to sign in with our Google account. And then you can see in the front page our username and our profile picture given by Google. Here, now I'm showing you the book session page. So we can click here to register into the sessions. We can also register for our partners as well. Now we can go to the session, edit session here. You can see that we have added 2 sessions into the waitlist. We can click another to quit. Also, another feature I did is the admin features. So if we are in the main, we can go here and we can approve others into the session. For example, if I click this, it will randomly select 6 people out of the 6 people in the waitlist out of the capacity. So you can see here that 6 people are randomly selected into the actual enrollment. After people have passed the waitlist, so here you can see that it shows all the enrolled session. So here's the web page. This is the Google console. You can see here I developed all the API, setting them up in the Google Auth. Here is where I developed the EC2. I put everything in the microservice into the EC2, and here is the EC2 instance. You can see there are two Scottish running in the screen. The first one is for EC2, and the second one is for the composite service.
Hi, I'm gonna introduce my partner page, and first when we'll go through the search profile. We want to search someone maybe has the T in the email, and the search number is 10. We'll get 10 result, and it shows the email, username, sex, preference, credit, birthday, and the partner number. If he got a partner, it will shows here. If they do not have any partner, it will shows nothing. For example, if we send a message to someone related to K, and T do not have any partner, so we send the invitation to 12 and the message try. It shows success, and we check the email. Yeah, it got the notifications here, and we go back. And for the invitations, that's all the invitations from others. And here we can see the banana, mushroom, and KK. If we try to reject him, it will disappear, and reject mushroom also disappear. And we accept Kevin. It will show our partner is Kevin now, and his number is the 12. And we also can delete. And for now, we do not have any partner. And we also can add others. Okay. Hi everyone, I'm gonna introduce the chat part. And first for here, we can see our user ID is 12, and we can check the chat history. If we enter 1 and find chat history, it will show the chat here. And on the left side is the message from the 1, and on the right side is the message from ourselves. And if we want to send message to the user ID 1, and we can input here. and input the chat. Then let us try to type test, and we send the message, and it will show on the bottom the message from Kevin and to the Panda. Kevin is our user ID number, and the Panda is the number 1. And if we want to search others chat, we can try user ID 2. If you get another chat history, which is the zebra, and if we search 3, it will show no chat.
This one is for the SNS object, and this is the email, and this one is for the IAM, which can access the SNS. And the last one is our MS1CC2.
Let's go to the forum service here. Forum, go to forum, and you will see the post here with the standard post board functions. You can select filters for subgroups. You can sort it by different method. You can like and unlike the post. And for the specific post, when you click on that, it will direct to the post content page with the content listed here and a comment section. And others comment, you can like and unlike it, and you can write your own this text. It's appear in the bottom. You can also like your own post. You can edit it and delete it. So far, so good. You can also like the post here, unlike, and then go back to the forum. You can also add a new post here. Category, let's randomly pick. For the location, we provide a location list from our database, but you can also pick your own location and save your own location into our list. For example, new location, and here for enter the address. Here we implemented the Smarty API to auto-fill for the address column so that it will be more standard text here. And when you submit the post, it will be passed to our backend, and our backend will further validate if this location information is valid. If it's so, you can submit it successfully. If not, you might need to change it into a Smarty supported style. So now we submit it, so far so good. And enter it in the detail page. Because this is your own post, you can see edit and delete here. Edit, successful, delete as well. After deletion, you will be redirected to my post for page. It will also be present here. So in this page, they're basically all your own posts with the same style.
The backend of our forum microservice is implemented using Flask. So we have one script for API routing and the other for logics, which include a location lookup method that uses the Smarty SDK. The data for the forum is saved on Relational Database Service, and the application itself is deployed on Elastic Beanstalk, and we use Postman to test out our methods and verify the functionality.
I'm going to walk through the composite service of user profile all. This is a service that calls three other microservices. You can see here it returns the profile data. It includes the user information, the post information, and the partner information. We can also edit our profile right here. So you can see if we change the name and the sex, you can see it's updated. Let me see how we do this. So this is a code we use the future sessions to make the three API request synchronized. Also, you can see if we send a request here, you can return the information of these three microservices. I think this is all for our project. Thank you for listening.